Lesson 9, Rocks, Boulders, Gravel, and Pebbles. Whether you realize it or not, rock is always underneath you, even when you are swimming in a lake or walking on the beach, even if you are mowing the grass or hiking through the jungle. If you dig down deep enough, you'll hit solid rock. This rock is the crust of the earth. Many of the rocks that we pick up are just small pieces of what broke off from the crust. Rocks are very important to our lives. Rocks are the foundations on which we build our buildings and the materials with which we build many structures. Coal is an important source of fuel, and rocks add beauty to our lives. Rocks are a combination of one or more minerals or organic materials. A few rocks contain only one mineral, but most are a combination of two or more minerals. Scientists group rocks into three categories by how they are formed. Igneous rocks, such as the one in the picture to the left, are formed when melted minerals called magma cool and harden. Sedimentary rocks, such as the one as the sandstone on the right, are formed when layers of sediment are pressed and cemented together. The third type, metamorphic rock, such as marble in the picture to the left. It is formed when igneous or sedimentary rocks are exposed to heat and pressure. Over time, they change into different rocks with different atomic structures. Rocks are not only important for building and monuments, they are very important for plants. Soil is made up from ground bits of rocks mixed with clay, dead leaves, sticks, and small pebbles. It is important to have rocks around to make new soil. People who like to collect and study rocks are often nicknamed rock hounds. For the unit project in Lesson 32, you will become a rock hound. So begin looking for interesting rocks to add to your collection. You will enjoy learning about rocks. All rock on earth was formed at creation, yet much of that rock has been recycled into other types of rocks. All three types of rocks can be melted to form magma. This magma can then be cooled, solidified to form new igneous rocks. Also, all three types of rocks can be broken into tiny bits by weathering. Bits of sediment eventually settle and are pressed together and cemented to form new sedimentary rock. And finally, both sedimentary and igneous rocks can be changed by pressure and heat and time into various types of metamorphic rock. What did we learn rocks are made out of? Rocks are made out of one or more minerals or organic materials. What did we learn are the three categories of rocks? We learned they are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. How did we learn igneous rocks are formed? Igneous rocks are formed when melted rock, called magma, cools, like when lava flows out of a volcano and cools. How is sedimentary rock formed? Sedimentary rock forms when layers of sediment are pressed and cemented together in some way. And how did we learn metamorphic rock is formed? Metamorphic rocks can be igneous or sedimentary, and they change when they're exposed to high pressure and high temperature for a long period of time.